This is Tammy. If your dog has been gagging, retching, coughing, or seems like it's been throwing up, and the symptoms are like this, not to worry. It's reverse sneeze, completely normal. Dogs do it all the time.